today. These. Got some nice that. These. This is, and the matching papers to go with it, because that's volume, it's papers. This, and some more of those bags I always need. It's an unusual stamp. And I also got this. Now what I just showed you, that was all for £1. Yeah, all for £1, what you just see. And I was just amazed by that. And I got these. Yeah. Got these. Look at that, pretty, isn't it? I got 2 of these. Got 2 of those. A little one. Look at that one. Just a large one. I got all those for £1. And I got some of this. It's volume paper with some ribbon. Oh, although 25p, and this was like £1 as well. I got loads of that. You see all that in there? Look at all that. Yeah, that's 50 metres, £1. Pretty. And I got this one as well. That one's 40 metres. That for £1. £1. I got all this, 50p. 50p. And I got this one. All that, 50p. And I got some ribbon.